Hello, so it is Monday the 21st of January. So you can see we've already had a couple of weeks, guys, trading this £500 account. What I'm going to do is just quickly show you, I have actually pushed the account very, very hard from Friday. So you can see there, we're actually probably one of our highest drawdowns we've had so far with £60. But what I want to point out, and this is where a lot of traders would start panicking, they go, oh, I've got a £500 account. But if we actually look at how much we've actually made £93 on this account. So what I'm actually doing, I'm going to be pushing this account very, very hard, trying to keep it contained within the £93 limit. So worst case scenario, all goes wrong, we lose our profit, we will have to start where we were. But the most important thing is we still got equity to look at and trade with, because this is the point where if we start losing more than our profit, we're actually using our own money to trade with, which means if we get into that sort of area of our account, that is when the account could start dipping back, and then this is where people that don't actually look at this fact blow their account up. So you can see here at the moment, our first trade, 20 pence, you can see we're about 100 pips down, which to be 100 pips down, trade without a stop loss, really, really small amount, that's absolutely fine. And you can see on our last trade, at 50 pence, I have pushed it very, very hard because I'm still want to get back up to that daily level that I pointed out. I don't usually use trend lines. They are a bit basic, but just to show everybody on the YouTube channel, the market is slightly trending upwards. We are getting higher highs, a bit of indecision down here, but overall we're actually getting lower highs. What I'm expecting to happen within the next few hours, I would like to see the pound US dollar break above the 129,000 level, psychological, and that's going to be a really, really good indicator for us heading towards the 130 and trying to make a new high. Okay, so it's still Monday, it's still early in the week, we still had a bit of the gap retrace, and there's still obviously data that's going to be getting processed by interbanks going forward, big funds. So all we got to do is just really take our time with it, be a bit patient. So I've got no doubt that this drawdown is going to disappear rather quickly, which would be good. And let's just show you the results, guys. Just quickly again, the account history, you can see we've got 95.93. You can see where we put the 500 in. We've had no losing trades at the moment. And you can see I was trading, I'm going to show you, I did do a couple of scalps on this account, obviously at £1 a point. I got around just underneath the 1% mark of my original equity. So that's the point where I didn't want to push it higher because I'm not looking at making loads of money. 1% is massive in my eyes. And you can see there that we actually haven't got any losing trades. We're still up on the account. So yes, it's been quite simple, quite easy. What I am going to point out to you, just remember our level from last week, because this is still a target that I'm going to hit. So back on the dailies, remember this nice level around here, which was the bottom of our 3 candle drop? Paint this orange just so I can show you, and we'll be right in between levels as a take profit. Right, there you go. So there's the bottom of our, well, actually more than 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that the price did be supportive around here and drop away. So I'm definitely going to be looking at this as a target, which will clear some of our trades and draw down off. So still going for about a 60 pip. It's only 20 past 1 as well. So we need to wait till at least 2 o'clock for New York and Chicago to be in full swing. So at the moment, it's just a case of being patient. But what I will do, I will update you tomorrow. And if I take any more trades today, I will obviously update you on that as well. I know I did a few scalp trades, but they were so quick, it was pointless me adding them into the video. I will obviously, when we've got a bit more time, I will teach you guys how I did apply them scalp trades and a little sort of technique that I've made. Just remember, there's not really any systems out there that can be consistent because there's so many variables that would make up a system. People trading different currencies, different time frames, different times of day, different size accounts. There's so many things that stop systems from being consistent. So obviously what I'm trying to teach is more methods and approach than actual physical systems. But we can leave that for another day. I will love and leave you, and I will see you on the next video.